Can I install Android apps on my Hisense Smart TV?
Hello, and welcome to our video. Today, we'll be answering a common question. Can I install Android apps on my Hisense Smart TV? Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through all the necessary steps.
Understanding your Hisense TV.
Firstly, it's important to note that not all Hisense TVs run on the Android operating system. Some models use the Roku system or Hisense's own Vida-U platform. Only Hisense TVs that are Android-based can natively install Android apps.
How to determine your TV's operating system.
To figure out if your Hisense TV runs Android, navigate to the Settings menu and find the section about the TV's information or software. It should indicate which operating system your TV uses. If you see Android listed, you're in luck.
How to install Android apps.
For those with Android-based Hisense TVs, here's how to install Android apps. 1. Press the Home button on your remote to access the main screen. 2. Navigate to the Google Play Store app. 3. Here, you can search for apps in the search bar. 4. Once you've found an app you want, select it and press Install. Your new app should download and install directly onto your TV.
What if my Hisense TV isn't Android?
If your Hisense TV isn't running Android, the process of installing Android apps becomes more challenging and might not always work. We don't recommend trying to install Android apps on non-Android Hisense TVs as it might cause problems with your device. Instead, consider exploring the App Store available to your TV's native operating system. So there you have it. If you're lucky enough to own an Android-based Hisense Smart TV, installing Android apps is a breeze. For those with other types of Hisense TVs, stick to your native App Store for the best experience. We hope this guide has been helpful. As always, enjoy your Hisense TV and happy streaming.